Kembali lagi di channel Tek Tek, atau bisa dipanggil Ketek atau Tek. Yang bukan masih bukan yang masih bukan siapa-siapa, dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan game Zato I Love the World and Everything in It. Game yang bercerita tentang, maksudnya berlatar di Rusia pada tahun 1986. Apakah benar? Gua lupa, tapi kayaknya benar. Sekarang kita lanjut, mouse gua masih hilang. Ya sudahlah. Kita load set. Oke, terakhir kali kita bertemu Ira. Menarik cuy, menarik. Kita dapat cuy ini. Oke, whatever. No way, please. I took a step forward towards her and she jolted away like I were a leper. Leper itu gua gak tahu, dan gua gak mau so tahu. Anjir. I didn't know what I should say or ask. I just knew I had to say something, even if it was the first thing that popped into mind. What? What the hell do you want? Isn't it cold? Kenapa lu gimana ya jawabnya kayak gini gitu? Isn't it cold? Nah, si Raja sampai kebingungan. The window sill. When you said smoking there right by the window, I thought weren't you cold like that? Enggak. Maaf, suara itu lagi. Gua pengen kebiasaannya harus dibuang. Maybe a little. Suara itu lagi. Thought so. Anything else? No. I mean, yes. Gua bilang sih soal thumbnail ya. Ini masuk akal, tapi thumbnailnya masih kurang bagus karena gua yang bikin sendiri, jadi agak susah. I'm sorry that you got in trouble. I heard you got into a lot of trouble after that. You know, when Garwin read my stupid poetry. I'm sorry for that. Aduh, sabar. No. Woi, mouse gua. Set. Oh, bisa pakai itu. Return. Okay. She eyed me for Tadi bilang apa? She eyed me for several seconds, which still felt me like she then sighed and slowly flipped her hair back. Okay, why are you apologizing? That had nothing to do with you. Huh? His voice was getting on my nerves. She got in it. I looked down at the tile, for I knew that was the case, of course. It's not like I was hoping Ira jumped in to defend my honor or anything of the sort. Up. I wanted to thank her regardless of intent, but no matter how hard I thought that and tried to word it, everything just came out sounding awkward and or wrong. Why does this always happen? The soles of her boots squeaked against the floor. He spun around and walked toward the door, and this time I made no attempt to stop her. Your poetry isn't stupid. Puisimu gak bodoh. Kenapa ini? Ekspresinya sama kayak gue aja, dumbfounded. Did I hear your poetry isn't stupid? Does that mean she likes it? Ira likes my poetry. Ira Gasevskaya. Bel berbunyi. The bell rang and snapped me out of my short-term stupor. I shook my head. Right, I need to get back to the classroom. I doubted Ira was going to be at the next lesson. I washed my hand from nothing in particular. Okay. Scene-nya berganti, Bung. Please jangan jump scare. Please. Aman, anjir. Akhirnya weeks passed. My life didn't exactly change. Minggu nggak bakal berubah, tapi tahun juga gak bakal berubah. Lucu. I went to the school the same way I sat through the lesson, then went to the store, then to the library or for a walk, and then when it got dark I headed home. Kehidupannya bagus lah ya. Day after day. My notebook. I just left to get a snack from the cafeteria. Where did it go? Oh, Shubina. Asia Subina, nama panjangnya cuy. We borrowed your homework for a second. You don't mind, right? It's fine. Thanks. By the way, is this supposed to be you? He lifts a scrap of paper up to me. Oh no. Apa itu? Drawing apa ini? Yes sir, it's really look like you if you were pretty. It's not me, haha. Dia gambar dirinya sendiri jadi cantik, menarik. Sometimes my classmates joked around with me. Whenever that happened, my thought involuntarily drifted to Ira. She still attended classes, albeit irregular. She always vanished during breaks. I don't know where to. And I would wonder to ask. Sometimes told me that none of it is if I did. And she'd be right. But even so, I kept imagining those scenarios in my head. Not just when I being laughed at. I just started doing it when I was walking home or to the store or just wandering the streets killing time. Maaf, menurut gue ya, itu nggak buang-buang waktu menurut gua. Enggak. I kept thinking about how funny it would be if I bumped into Ira. I thought how interesting it would be if we talked. I even tried to stay out longer. I started to take new routes. It's embarrassing to think about it now, but kayak Ira muncul lagi. Oh, Asia ketemu Ira lagi. She just walked past me in the corridor, not even a look in my direction. I guess I don't really exactly stand out in the crowd, but it's not my fault for mumbling. Apa gua harus ganti suara gua ya? I've spoken louder. Even though it took all of my courage just to master that much. Even though I definitely think you should heard it. Hey Farim. Kopex. Wah, nagih utang jak. 50 Kopex, when was that again? Wah, last Friday. Jesus. You remember things like that? Pengingat loh, cok. I don't even remember taking it. You sure you're not making this up? Maybe you gave it to someone else? I know it was you. Jeez, I don't freaking know. It's half a rebel, Shobina. Who give? Yeah, why do you care so much? So pity. You probably just lost it or something. Kalau di posisi gua sama aja sih. My eyes keep snapping to the doorway. It's empty, of course. What am I waiting for? Even if she showed up, what will she do? Mock him in front of everyone? That will be funny. Hey, stop thinking that. Maybe he rude. Did forget. Who knows? I really shouldn't be upset. It's not that much. You could go grocery shopping with that, but it's not the end of the world. I'm not exactly starving. Lately I've been eating too much junk anyway. Yeah, maybe if I eat less of this, my skin will clear up. That'd be nice. Jadi kulitnya si Asia ini sedikit Jerawat itu apa aja? Nggak tahu gue. You don't use makeup at all, right? No, I don't. We're not allowed to. What are you saying? They allowed? Yes, last year. Really? Nobody gonna send you home for it, haha. That's good, I guess. This girl really talked to me. They usually pretty nice though. At least when they're not joking along with the guys. I think one of them likes Farim. She laughs a lot whenever he say anything from me. I suppose we have very different sense of humor. Bener. But you never try to eat before, yeah? Makeup? No, never. Seriously? You're like 15 already. Yo. 15. Jadi SMP lah ya. 14 14 masih SMP cuy. You gotta learn to do it at some point, especially with that complexion. Menurut gue sih tergantung selera ya. Oh, gak terlalu suka makeup cuy, kan gue cowok ya. Hahaha. Hey, how about we help you out? Yeah, just some like makeup, you'll see what it's like. Gua harap ini nggak jalan ke pikiran gua, apa yang gua pikirkan gitu. Come on, it's gonna be fun, you're gonna love it. Alright, but yeah, come here then. I don't think people do unpleasant things on purpose. Nobody wakes up in the morning with a goal to make somebody feel bad. Benar, I really believe that. If someone is doing something hurtful, they don't fully understand it. So I would seldom wish bad things on people who don't really know they're being mean. I seldom wish for Ira to appear and interrupt them, or to scream at them, or to punish them, or anything. I can still hear everyone laughing as I run out to the corridor. I'm covering my face. I don't need any teacher seeing me like that. At least the toilet's closed so I can wash this mess off quickly. But I should stop falling for this pressure. Mari kita hentikan di sini dulu. Save. Kita ke title. Yeah. Kita di penghujung video. Terima kasih sudah menonton, dan ini ringkasan ceritanya tentang Zato, I Love the World and Everything pada hari ini. Ya, cuma kehidupan Asia yang menurut gua normal sih, tapi agak sedikit membosankan karena semuanya diulangi tiap hari gitu. Dan kejadiannya lumayan biasa menurut gua ya. Seorang anak pendiam, ini pendiam cuy menurut gua ya, introvert banget, overthinking terus, kayak gimana gitu ya. Ya udah sih gitu aja ya. Ya, selamat pagi, malam, siang, sore. Terima kasih sudah menonton di penghujung cerita ini. Maksudnya video ini. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Mantap, udah bilang 3 kali.